Welcome to our lesson on Introduction to Kali Linux, a foundational lesson designed for those beginning their journey into the world of cybersecurity with Kali Linux. In the first video, What is Kali Linux? We provide a comprehensive introduction to Kali Linux, exploring its history, purpose, and why it is a preferred tool in the cybersecurity industry. Following this video, Installing Kali Linux, a step-by-step guide, offers detailed instructions on how to successfully install Kali Linux, ensuring you have a solid and functional base for your cybersecurity explorations. Finally, navigating the Kali Linux interface video will take you through the Kali Linux environment, familiarizing you with its interface and basic functionalities. By the end of this lesson, you will have a clear understanding of what Kali Linux is, how to install it, and how to navigate its interface, setting a strong foundation for your future endeavors in cybersecurity. See you in the next video.